alarm. A customer, check our customer, that's important. Stuck. Hello, my name is Nikolai. I'm a software engineer at Datamin, and in this episode from the series How to Integrate Things with Datamin, we are going to have a talk about quite popular CRM system, which is not only CRM system, which is known as Hubspot. Let's assume you are an e-commerce business owner, you have a website and a customer over there put some items in the cart and decided to not check out, which is bad for business, and you want to understand what happened, why did they change mind, and potentially push the customer to complete the checkout process and have some profit. For that, you want to create a ticket in HubSpot, and this video I'm going to show you how to do that in a few easy steps. First things first, we have to create a destination. To do that, from our dashboard, we can go to destinations, we can click add destination, we want to do a HubSpot destination. And at this point, you can find yourself in a situation that you don't have the authorizations yet. So let's do some authorization. We go to the list of integrations, HubSpot authorization, and we create our authorization by clicking this button. I'm gonna use our Datamin HubSpot. At this point, HubSpot would like to have your consent that you trust Datamin, that you can connect Datamin to your HubSpot. We have scope with just tickets, so we don't have access to any data of yours. Connect application, and voila, it's connected. Let's give it some fancy name, my HubSpot. Save. Magic, it's done, we are here. Now, let's get back to destinations. Add destination, HubSpot, here's our authorization we just created. Name, well, HubSpot. Now comes the fun part. We need to provide the internal IDs of pipeline, pipeline stage, and owner ID. How are we doing this? I'm gonna explain it. Here are tickets, so far no tickets. We have just one pipeline, which comes with the basic account of HubSpot. We go to edit pipelines, and here we are. So you can find these icons here, here, here. These icons are what we're looking for. So for the support pipeline, click here, and it says that internal ID is 0. That's what we need. Pipeline ID is 0. Stage, I think new stage makes sense. So let's assume that we want to have new stage, and the internal ID is 1. Owner ID. With owner ID, it's a bit more complicated, but also easy to retrieve the value. For that, we go to Data Management, Properties. We are interested in the ticket object. So we look for owner. There we go, ticket owner. So ticket owner is going to be a person, a natural person or a bot, up to you, which is going to be creator of the ticket and the owner of the ticket. I would like to create tickets from my name, so I'm going to copy this value. It is the internal ID which we are looking for. So create. There we go. Destination is created. Wonderful. Now let's create the workflow. And in this workflow, as I already earlier mentioned, we want to know the customers that didn't complete their checkout process yesterday. So let's create a blank workflow. I create a sample data set here locally, local database, local table, local data. So we're going to select from here. Now, let's code the workflow start checkout customers. And there we go. Awesome. So we're going to start workflow with a query. We drag this query object here. I'm going to query my local host. I have query prepared here. So select from cart. Done. Save. We can already run this workflow and see the output. So in this case, there are going to be 2 rows. There we are. There they are. Fine, good. Now for each row, it is for each customer, for each customer's card, I want to create a ticket in Hubspot. In order to achieve this, we have very nice task here. It's called for each. So for each retrieved row, we would like to do the notification. And that's called stack checkout customer. Severity come from Hubspot. There are just 3 of them. I believe it should be medium. But of course, it depends on your business when it goes in the message. Alarm. A customer. Checkout customer. That's important. Stack. And let's provide some data. So username. It's going to be username. And I think it also might come handy to provide the foreign key, because with this foreign key you might find it later on in your Hubspot CRM or somewhere else. Save and connect for each with a stack checkout customer. Okay, yeah, we are ready to run it. At the moment, no tickets whatsoever. Run workflow. Everything is successfully executed. Now we can go to Hubspot, and there we have 2 tickets. 1 ticket for Nikolai with that foreign key, and 1 ticket for Emmanuel with the corresponding foreign key of Emmanuel. That's it. So easy and so simple. Thank you for your attention, and see you other time when we have more integrations, more destinations for you. Ciao!